Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in Mongo's garage. Kenny's been a busy guy tonight. I sat down and edited a video for you guys. That midweek update was edited this evening and uploaded. So what we didn't get to capture was what KJ got done today, which is quite a bit, actually. The old red 5.4 here that he is putting together to flip, it looks a whole lot more like a pickup truck now. And that's right. Got the bed on it, looking really nice. This is that bed that he painted the underside of. So the frame and this thing is all painted. The underside of the bed is painted. Fuel fill's back in it. All of the bolts are back in it. And right now, the battery is dead, so he's charging the battery. Still got some work to do under the hood here. Obviously, there is nothing on the front of that motor. We're going to find a fan for it and get the shroud and stuff back in it, and then put all the put everything else back in it. He's not having a good time over there, KJ, are you? He wants to turn the truck around because he does have a brand new set of manifolds. Well, we have one manifold here. The other one, good Lord only knows where it is. But he wants to get that turned around so he can get those changed. It may or may not run. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in the garage. Kenny's working on the flip truck. He's got quite a bit done since we last saw him out here. The truck is just about ready to go. He's finishing up some of the final details now, like hubs, fan, seat, mirror, power steering hoses, stuff like that. All the final little stuff it's going to take to make the truck sellable. Needs to put the fender wells back in it. If you're changing these exhaust manifolds, you most definitely want to take those plastic fender wells out. The reason that the exhaust manifolds had to be changed was because it had these on it. These are a set of aftermarket headers, and they were definitely on there a bit too long because they're all cracked up. Crack there, and they were leaking real bad. And because they were leaking real bad, the truck was running really bad. These are Gibsons. This was these weren't cheap, but they are junk, all cracked up. What's that? There's a junk mirror he's got off of it. Put a good mirror back on it. Inner fenders are in the bed. Those have got to go back in. And my plan tonight is to rejuvenate that stupid thing. Why, you say? Because I have Mustang 2 suspension parts that need sandblasted. Yes, sir. It's a little chilly out here because we didn't start a fire. And we don't want to listen to the torpedo heater run. But we're probably going to have to here shortly. KJ's putting the new mirror on now over there. I'm going to mess around with this. All right, everybody, it is now 9 o'clock out here Tuesday evening, and it is good and cold, and we are going to go into the house. KJ got the front tires back on the red truck, and now he's bringing in the seats for it, so the inner fenders are all in it. He just has to get the power steering hoses changed and get the front of that motor back together, and this thing will be just about done. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got old KJ stacked in the pack and rack-a-dacka, whack-a-dacka. He's shoved up in there trying to get things figured out. I think he's trying to change the, what are those things? The phaser solenoids on a 3-valve 5.4. If you guys remember a little while ago, we were fighting a, whoa, don't fight. Oh, you all right? You gonna live?
No, I can't. See where it is.
Looks like fun. He's got the power steering pump hooked back up. Brand new power steering lines down there.
One. This is the old one still.
Oh, he's left the old one on it.
Oh, I had to.
Well, that's the, whatchamacallit.
The what?
It's the The one from the reservoir? Oh, this is going to end badly, guys. And here we find the Kenny in his natural habitat, working on his Ford. Fishing for a Torx bit nut on a 3-valve cam phaser solenoid. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Did he get it?
I haven't even got on the bolt yet.
Alright, this is undue stress that he doesn't need. We'll get back with him later. I think KJ's ready to back this thing out of the garage. Where are we going? Oh, wait, I need to get it to video without the thing being on. Don't kill me. I don't want to die. All right, so this is the current situation. We were just out on a test drive in the red truck, and on the way back, check gauges came up. KJ looked down, there was no oil pressure, and the engine shut off. We are currently coasting back to the house. We are just about to our driveway. I don't know that you can see that, but he's just making the right-hand turn into the driveway. Maybe. We literally coasted home. Get her off the side of the road here in Uncle Chris's mud mess.
Mom's right behind us.
Mom's right behind us. And put it in neutral. Drive, park. All right, so what we got going on right now, I think it's a DB. I don't know if it's charging or not. I thought whenever I checked it before that it was definitely charging, but right now it is not charging. I can smell brakes really bad. So the brakes are sticking on for sure, which is commonplace for a Super Duty after it's set for a while. One of the calipers locks up on it. And like I said, right now it will not crank. It just clicks. Classic DB. So Cheryl's going to take KJ up to the house, get my truck and a battery, and then we'll see what happens. All right, so KJ replaced the battery in it, which I thought it was a DB, but should be not roll over, man. It's not even hot. All right, go ahead and try it. Tried it. Locked up. I don't get it, man. This thing had great oil pressure in the shop. Son of a biscuit. So I think it's going to get listed just like it is. Needs engine. If you need a 2006 F250 with a 5.4 automatic, pretty good all the way around. Put a motor in it. Here it is. Damn Triton got us again. Oh, God.